Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
मांडलो आणि तो बजेट पुराय देशाक म्हणजे सुखद धक्को दिवपी बजेट आशिल्लो. सगळ्यात पयली गोंयकारा खातीर सगळ्यांक सामकी गौरवाची गजाल आशिल्ली तिच्या ओपनिंग रिमार्क्सान, बजेटाच्या ओपनिंग रिमार्क्सान पयलेच फावटी 60th इयर सेलिब्रेशन हाजो उल्लेख आशिल्लो आनी तातूंत स्पेशल मेन्शनान गोंयच्या 60 वर्सांच्या मुक्ती संग्रामाचेर म्हणजे हे मनयता आनी तेजी कॉग्निजन्स गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियात घेतलो. हाज्या खातीर हांव पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदीजी, अमितजी शाह, निर्मला सीतारामन हांचे खूब खूब आभारी आसा. दुसरी गजाल, हे सेलिब्रेशन करपा खातीर तांच्यानी आमकां 300 crores of rupees फ्रॉम द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया ह्या पुराय वर्सभरा खातीर विविध प्रकल्प, मागीर ते इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलपमेंटचेर आसूनी, ह्युमन डेव्हलपमेंटचेर आसूनी किंवा स्वतंत्र संग्रामांतली विविध स्थळां आसूनी हाजेर डिसायड करपाचें आसा.
तें बजेट आयकतकीर अशें दिसलें की हें बजेट सामान्य मनशा खातीर न्ही. हें बजेट आसा तें फक्त वेस्ट बेंगाल, तामिळनाडू, केरळा ही 3 राज्याची इलेक्शनां दोळे मुखार दवरून प्रेजेंट केल्लें बजेट आसा. आनी एके वटेन केंद्र सरकारान गोंय राज्य 60वे स्वातंत्र्य दीस मनयता म्हणून 300 कोटी दिल्या. म्हाका दिसता हे पयशे दिता आसतना तांणी अजून कांयच सांगूना कित्या खातीर ते पयशे यूज करपाचे, कसले स्किम्सांत यूज करपाचे, खंयचे कॉजा खातीर यूज करपाचे. पूण तरी आसतना म्हजी मागणी आसा की हांव सदांच सांगतालो, राज्य सरकारा कडेन मागतालो, मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन मागतालो की 100 कोटीचें पॅकेज जाता तितले बेगीन टॅक्सीवाले, मोटरसायकल पायलट, रिक्षावाले, खाजेकार, चणेकार, फुलकार हांचे खातीर एक दिवचे.
आयकल्लें की सरकार 100 crores मागल्या म्हणून आनी 300 जर crores दिल्या तर इट्स अ बोनान्जा. इतलो जर बोनान्जा मेळ्ळा तो लेट्स सी हाव गोवा गव्हर्मेंट तो उजार करतलो. तो गोव्यान आज इतली बेकारी जाल्या, बेस्ट सेलिब्रेशन करून जर 300 crores आमी जर काबार करतले, आय एम नॉट फॉर इट, वी आर नॉट फॉर इट. कन्स्ट्रक्टीव काम जावपाक जाय. गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया कडल्यान जर 300 crores जर मेळ्ळ्यात, कन्स्ट्रक्टीव काम जावपाक जाय. एक परमनंट इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जातल्या भितर उबें जावपाक जाय. दुसरें, फ्रिडम फायटरान जें आमकां काम केलें, ते भुरगे थंय काल पर्यंत बसल्यात, हांगा उपोशणाक बसल्यात, हंगर स्ट्रायकचे बसल्यात, तेंचे प्रश्न सोडपाक जाय. आनी गोंयान ह्या 300 crores उपयोग फेस्तां करपाक उपयोग पडना. आमकां फेस्त सदांच आमी करतात. दॅट मनी मस्ट बी यूज्ड फॉर सम कॉन्क्रीट वर्क. आनी हे कशें स्पेंड करचे तें थारोवपाक खरें म्हणजे ऑल पार्टी एक मीट जावपाक जाय.
Considering this pandemic situation, I feel the budget is in the direction of reforms.
GST audit requirement may have been taken away. However, the GST reconciliation requirement on self-certification basis may be now part of the annual return itself. These are the 2 important changes. The third most important change is regarding the clubs or associations who are of the view that GST does not apply because it is an own service or service to its own members. That has also been now given a retrospective effect.
In taking forward the infrastructure and whatever was started in the previous budget. If you see last year's budget, this is a continuation in spite of the setbacks. And the investments have been made in places where the development will take place. There are labor reforms as far as in education. So in the view of the chamber, this is all in all a balanced budget.
I think the tourism industry expected quite a bit more from the budget. Thinking that the government has a Dekho Apna Desh scheme wherein it's been marketing the entire country non-stop, but there has been no incentive given to any consumer to travel. Perhaps they could have done some sort of tax incentive, they get a rebate to travel.
What we are finding throughout the budget is that the public kind of, I would say rather the government interference would be reduced, and at the same time there will be more governance. There's an idea that some of the banks and the insurance companies would be denationalized, private sector would be coming up, the limit for foreign investment is also going up into the insurance company.
As a national chairman of MSME ASSOCHAM, we had taken up several issues with the Finance Minister only 10 days back. In the difficult times, the budget which has been laid in the House has better connotation, and we welcome because there is no negativism attached to it.
Yeah, it has been a very positive budget, I would say. Because we were under fear that, Bandari also said, that there could be any increase in the direct taxes, which has not happened.
We would definitely welcome this budget and hoping that implementation will be faster. Obviously, one more thing which Mr. Santosh Kengre said about the reopening of the assessment. The government is showing some faith in the entrepreneurs in India.